Hello, my name is Dacey and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of the MPTC Group of Colleges. And I'd like to welcome you all to our Results Day 2023. Today is always a highlight of the college year, and I'm so honoured to be able to tell you about the fantastic successes and results and celebrate our students' sheer hard work and commitment. Let me start by saying a most heartfelt congratulations to both staff and students, not just for myself, but the college's corporation board and the senior management team. I am delighted to announce that MPTC Group of Colleges has once again achieved an incredible overall pass rate of almost 99%. More than half of our students achieved A-star to B, and almost a third achieved A-star A grades, and well over 3/4 achieved A-star to C grades. And for the students who followed our gifted and talented programme, it's also great news, with 84% achieving A-star A grades and 100% achieving A-star B grades. Students sitting their level 3 vocational qualifications also made the headlines, with 70 students achieving distinction grades and 24 students achieving the highest possible grade of profile of distinction star, which is the equivalent to A-star at A level. In addition, no fewer than 376 learners successfully achieved the Advanced Skills Challenge Certificate with an outstanding pass rate of 100%, with 58% achieving between an A-star and C grade. These figures are truly fantastic. I'm so proud to be part of such an incredible family at the college, where year on year the staff and students never cease to amaze me. I know that all students celebrating today have bright futures and careers ahead of them, and I can say from everyone at MPTC Group of Colleges that we're all extremely happy to have been even a small part of their journey. Long gyfarchiadau a pob lwc. Thank you.